welcome to your YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. In your channel, there are videos related to subjects like mathematics, science, social science, English and general knowledge. So today we will see videos related to the mathematics subject. In that, today's topic is division tips and tricks. So let's see some tips and tricks for division. Draw a picture. If you are just starting out with division, drawing a picture may help you to understand division problems better. First, draw the same number of boxes as the number for the divisor. Then move from box to box, adding in a dot that represents one out of the total dividend. The number that you have in each box is the answer. In the pictures below, we are trying to solve 20 divided by 4. We have drawn 4 boxes. We start putting in the 20 dots, one box at a time. We end up with 5 dots in each box. The answer is 5. So let's see visually. So we have one box. In that we have put it 20 dots. Okay, now we have 4 because we have to divide 20 with 4. So we have 4 boxes here. Now we will put 1 by 1 dots. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Like the same way we will put all the dots. And how many dots in one box? So it is 5. So our answer is 5. Now division by subtraction. Another way to do division is to keep subtracting the divisor from the dividend until you get to the answer. Here is an example. If we want to divide 532 by 97, then what will be the answer? So we will divide 532. So we will subtract 97. First we will subtract 97, the answer is 435. Again we will subtract 97, then the answer is 338, that is 338. Again we will subtract 97, then the answer is 241. Again we will subtract 97, the answer is 144. Again we will subtract 97, so answer is 47. Now we will not subtract 97 because 97 is more than 47. So we can't subtract 97 from 47. So how many times we have subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the add up the numbers of 97 subtracted. So that is 5. And we have remainder 2. So the remainder is 47. So the answer is 5 and remainder is 47. Now divide by 3 tricks. This is a fun trick. If the sum of the digits in a number can be divided by 3, then the number can as well. For example, the number is 12. The digits 1 plus 2 is 3. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. If we add the digits, we will get the 3. Or we will get the numbers in the table of 3. If we get the numbers in the table of 3, then we can divide that number with 3. The number is 1707. The digits are 1 plus 7 plus 0 plus 7. So the answer is 15. 15 is divisible by 3 because we have 15 in the 3's table. So the answer is 569. The number, same way the examples are given here, you can add the numbers and you can see if it is divisible by 3 or not. More divide by number tricks. Now divide by 1. Anytime you divide by 1, the answer is the same as the dividend. Divide by 2. If the last digit in the number is even, then the entire number is divisible by 2. Remember that divide by 2 is the same as cutting something in half. Divide by 4. If the last 2 digits divide by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. Okay, we have to just see last two digits. Here the last two digits is 32. Is 32 is divisible by 4. So the whole number will be divisible by 4. Now divide by 5. If the number ends in a 5 or at 0, it is divisible by 5. Divide by 6. If the rules for divide by 2 and divide by 3 above are true, then the number is divisible by 6. Divide by 9. Similar to the divide by 3 rule, if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9, then the entire number is divisible by 9. For example, we know that this is the number which addition is 27. So 27 is divisible by 9. So the whole number is divisible by 9. Divide by 10. If the number ends in a 0, then it is divisible by 10. So this was all about division tips and tricks. I hope you have understood the tips and tricks which I have explained to you. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in a comment section if you have any, or you can also drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. We will surely reply back to your comment. If you want videos related to any particular topic or subject, then feel free to suggest us. You can also follow the channel School Study on Facebook page, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.